Drip irrigation for trees and saplings. Hello to all gardening enthusiasts. In this video, you'll see a simple and cost-effective drip irrigation system for your trees. This system can also be used for other plants besides trees. Why drip irrigation? Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, reducing water waste. It's an ideal solution for watering young saplings and mature trees, especially during dry periods. The system operates continuously, 24 hours a day, with water refills required every 2 days to 2 weeks, depending on the setup. This depends on the size of the water reservoir, in this case, the bag, and the adjustment of the drip rate and thread thickness. What you'll need: a garbage bag, approximately 16 gallons or larger. Duct tape, insulating tape works better. String, household twine. Thin thread, about 12 inches long. A wooden stake, about 24 inches long. All of these items are low cost or can easily be found at home or around the house. Later in the video, I'll show you how to adjust the drip rate and water refill intervals. Interested in this video? Press the like button. All the buttons are below the video. Want updates on my other videos? Press the subscribe and bell buttons. Want to share this video with friends? Press the share button. Try at least one option. It's all free. Now, let's prepare the irrigation bag. Tie the garbage bag with string, leaving an opening for refilling water. If you forget to leave an opening, you can always make one later. Secure the bag to the wooden stake using the string. Pour approximately 6 gallons of water into the bag. The quantity may vary depending on the remaining capacity of the bag. Stick a piece of duct tape, about 2 inches long, to the bottom of the bag. Untangle the string and pull out one thread. Thread it through a thin needle. Pierce the duct tape and the bag with the needle in 2 places. Remove the needle and leave the thread in the tape. This will create the drip. Insert the stake with the bag into the ground next to your tree. Done. Adjusting the drip rate and refill intervals. Add additional layers of duct tape to the bottom of the bag, layering them on top of each other. The more layers, the slower the drip rate. This achieves an interval between drips of half a second to 2 seconds, with refill intervals ranging from 2 to 9 days or more, see table below. This allows you to adjust the watering intensity based on your plant's needs, soil conditions, and other factors, preventing overwatering and root rot. Number of days to refill water. If the drip time is half a second, the water will last about 2 days. If the drip time is 1 second, the water will last 4 to 5 days. If the drip time is 2 seconds, the water will last about 9 days. After this, the bag will need to be refilled. In the next section, you'll see the full process of preparing the bag. 1. We'll use a regular garbage bag. Here's a package of such bags. The string is made of polypropylene, commonly used in households. Here's a needle and the thread we've untangled from the string. And here's the insulating duct tape. 2. Tie a string around the top of the bag, leaving an opening for adding water. 3. Secure the bag to the wooden stake with the string. The stake keeps the bag upright, serving as a stand. For larger trees, you might not need a stake and can tie the bag directly to the tree. 4. Pour water into the bag. In this case, we'll pour in 3 gallons of water. The remaining 3 gallons or more will be added later, once the bag is in place next to the tree. 5. Stick a piece of duct tape, about 2 inches long, to the bottom of the bag. To slow down the drip rate, add a second or even a third layer of tape on top of the first. 6. Insert a needle threaded with a string into the tape at 2 points. Remove the needle and leave the thread in the tape to create the drip. 7. Insert the stake with the bag into the ground next to the tree. Add the necessary amount of water using a watering can, hose, or other irrigation method. Next, you'll see dripping water with a time of about half a second between drops. This means 6 gallons of water will need to be refilled in about 2 days. I hope you enjoy watering your trees.